Hi there, welcome to another Advanced Rheumatology Snippet. I'm Christine Madelon, and with me today is the OG of rheumatology, Dr. Angela Stupai.
Hi, everybody. We're so happy today.
Well, Dr. Stupai.
No, it goes like this.
Okay. Why are we happy today? Is it someone's birthday?
Nope.
Is someone getting married?
Nope.
Is someone having a baby?
I hope not.
Well, then what are we thrilled about today? What do we have in store for advanced rheumatology?
A new doctor.
Woo!
Woo! Woo!
Oh.
Woo! Woo!
We will have more information very shortly, but all of you out there, all you friends, family, and patients of the office, celebrate with us.